Hello everyone, welcome and thanks for watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone 11 low call volume issue. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's start. Solution number 1. Turn off Bluetooth. To turn off Bluetooth, first launch Settings, then tap Bluetooth and toggle off Bluetooth. Solution number 2. Disable phone noise cancellation. To disable phone noise cancellation, first launch Settings, then go to Accessibility, then Audio and Visual, and disable phone noise cancellation. Solution number 3. Clean up microphone and speaker. Check microphone and speaker and clean it. Solution number 4. Increase phone volume. To increase phone volume, press and hold on volume up button to increase the call volume. Solution number 5. Force restart your iPhone. To force restart iPhone 11, quickly press and release volume up button. After that, quickly press and release volume down button. Then press and hold side button until we see the Apple logo. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.